Hey guys, here's a little problem I've been struggling with for a little while, and I've just found a nice, easy, free solution. So if you're trying to get email from Outlook on Windows over to Apple Mail on Mac, it can be quite a nightmare, especially if your Outlook is a really old version. So what I found is that you can go into Outlook and you can open that up and you can go the usual export where you just go File, import and then export and go through and export a regular PST file like you normally would. Then I found this awesome free piece of software called Mailstore Home, and it's free, you can download it, and then you simply go to Mailstore Home and you go archive email and you go import from file and you choose Microsoft Outlook PST file, import that, run that through, then you come over here, you go to export email, you select export and you export it as a directory file, and that will export each individual email as a .eml file. In here, make sure you select .eml. Then you can grab those folders of files, you can bring them over to Apple Mail, and once you're in Apple Mail, you simply go File, Import Mailboxes, come over here, select Apple Mail format. Even though they're not in Apple Mail format, this does work with emails out of that archive software. So you can just click continue, you can go in, you can navigate to wherever you've got that file, and you can select which folders you'd like to import, in this case inbox, and then you simply hit choose and it will roll through and import all of your emails. And as you can see here, this worked for 11,000 of my emails, and it's still running, still doing the sent items. So that's a nice, easy solution to what was a very frustrating, complex problem for me. I hope this helps. Have a nice day.